Hey guys, I started doing some videos on trading cryptocurrency, but I wanted to also show another way to earn interest on your crypto if you're going to hold it. So when you trade stocks or ETFs or anything, you might want to have like part of your account or one of your accounts as your long-term investment account that you don't really touch very much. You just leave it, and it might have dividends or whatever. And then you've got another account where you trade ETFs and stocks and stuff like that, instead of trading like your whole portfolio. So when I was looking at crypto, I realized that I had more of a trading mentality. So what I wanted to do, because I really believe in cryptocurrency, and I wanted to look at holding it long term, some of it as well as trading. And so generally speaking, if you're going to hold crypto, like I was looking at storing it in a wallet, like your private wallet, private keys, like either a hardware wallet or software or whatever, but basically be in your control on your own wallet. And there are some options where if you have your crypto on your wallet, like Exodus wallet, you can stake the crypto, like Cardano, Solana, stuff like that. You can get some interest on staking your cryptocurrency, but it's in your wallet. But another way to go is to put it on some of these sites like Celsius. And this is really good. There's BlockFi and crypto.com and stuff. But I've actually put some onto Celsius. And so I wanted to go through that. And of course, when you're putting your crypto in a site, like a centralized site or a third party, there's some risk there compared to having it in your own private wallet. But the interest rates that are being offered now are incredible. And with Binance, there's fairly low interest rates if you just want to have like a savings account that you can take out anytime you want. But as soon as you start looking at locked savings, staking and stuff, you get higher rates, but your crypto's kind of locked up there. So that's an option as well. But for this video, I'm just going to talk about Celsius. And there's a link in the description below the video where you can sign up for Celsius. And that'll help me get a referral fee. It doesn't cost you anything. And it'll help out the channel if you like my videos. And so I'm just going to go through a little bit of the rewards here. It's basically an app. There's a web app here, but I've got the app installed on my phone. And if you put $400 in to Celsius, you'll get $50 of Bitcoin deposited in your account. And if you go higher than that, you can get even more rewards for that. But there's some cool things in here that I'll point out. So you have the option of getting rewarded in their Celsius token, which gives you 25% more interest rate. Or you can have it, if you click this button, you'll see the rates in kind, which is the same putting in. So the stable coins are incredible. So stable coins are coins that are basically backed or attached to the fiat currency. And fiat currencies, like the stable coins, are supposed to have the same amount of fiat currency backing them. So the ones that stand out, right, for me at least, are USDC, USDT, and there's even Binance BUSD is a Binance one. But you can see here the rates are 8.88%, which are unreal. So that's like having a stable. You don't have to worry about the fluctuation of the currency. So if you have like a currency that's pegged at the dollar, like $1, a stable coin, you're not going to see any change really in the price of the coin, but you're going to get 8. So it's kind of like an interest savings account, a savings account. But the interest rates are 8.8%. So if you have any stable coins, like, and this could be used like where say you have your money in a stable coin for a while you're waiting for the market to start to go up, or you want to get out before it crashes or something like that. Or it's just a portion of your investments can be in cash just to wait for dip opportunities, that's a great interest rate. One thing that really stood out was really interesting is that there's some gold tokens that are backed by gold. So these will be pegged at like the gold price, which is close to $1,900 US right now. So you could put your money, like instead of buying an ETF for gold, or in addition, you could put a cryptocurrency gold-backed cryptocurrency, and you'll actually earn interest. So normally gold doesn't really earn you any interest. So here you're going to get 5.5% on the gold that you have. And of course, this gold is stored in vaults, but that's a very interesting idea. And then when you get to the main cryptos, you can get 3.5% on Bitcoin, 5% on ETH. So if you're holding your Bitcoin for a long period of time, and you're just going to store it, this is an option. But of course, like I said, you're putting it on their site. There also is insurance coming for Celsius in particular, but there's insurance that you can get in other sites as well. So if you wanted to have insurance on your crypto, you might want to look at that, and that's something that's going to be coming for Celsius within the product as well. But and then you have like synthetics, which is for shorting and stuff. There's 13.99. That's incredible. Polygon is 10.5%. Polkadot 8.86. So these are incredible. Aave 5.5% interest. Those ones stand out to me. Chainlink 3%. So yeah, if you're gonna try to hold, like you might be trading and that, but if you want to hold some of your crypto, this is and like I said, there's other sites that do similar things. But this one has a really good reputation, and it stood out for me right now. You could also have your crypto like in different sites. Like you could split it between Binance, Crypto.com, BlockFi, stuff like that. I'm going to go quickly to Binance Earn, and you're going to see the interest rates. There's flexible and there's high yield, and that's when you get into yield farming and all that stuff. I'm not going to go into that too much right now because this video is about Celsius, but you can earn interest on a variety of things. Now these rates here are for staking, and so they're decent, but there's a flexible savings. It's only 2.1. You remember when I showed you how it was 8.8 for over on Celsius? But this is the flexible one where you can take it out anytime. And, that, like, comparatively speaking, it's a lot better to be over on Celsius. So that get you thinking about earning interest on your crypto. And Celsius is a really, really good one right now. And so you can get some crypto. If you put $400 in, you'll get $50. If you check out the link in the description below, I have a link to sign up for Celsius, and that'll help me as well, support the channel. And let me know if you put anything in there. We'll talk to you guys later.